It's like that general like natural like geology type structural feeling. Uh, so this is all over the lake. I guess I can have some higher ceiling, so I don't have to like go crazy with this stuff. Um, yeah, actually, the ceiling actually doesn't even have to be entirely visible in this area. So yeah, I can actually dial this way pretty far back. Uh, it can just be like the back walls instead. Um, so uh, uh, yeah, but I guess if we're reviewing the back walls, we still do want to use this tone because we still want some level of gradation. Uh, in basically all of the surfaces that we have down here. Um, so yeah, what's the floor gonna look like here? I guess kind of a lot like the ground, just like uh, or like it's gonna look a lot like the ceiling does. It's gonna have like just this natural like whatever weird mineral substance that this cave is made out of, and it's going to have it in like various rock-like or geological-looking formations. Sorry, I'm just going to mute the microphone for a second. I think I'm getting better at predicting sneezes. I think I think that's a skill I'm developing. Speaking of sneezes, I'm going to drink some delicious tomato juice in the hopes of building my immune system. 120%. Whoa. This thing, one serving of this tomato juice has 100. Sorry, this is super important. One serving has 120% vitamin C, and this container has 6 servings. That's a lot of vitamin C. Synthopia, thank you for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Welcome. Uh, yeah, thanks for tuning in. um, yeah, vitamin C, sneezes, and vitamin C, and game dev. It's a mixed bag here. Uh, all right. So that last one, that game dev thing that I mentioned. I guess I should probably get more interesting with this stuff. I don't know. It's kind of like it's a relatively tight space that we have here. Um, yeah, tomato juice. It's good stuff. It's it's what plants crave. No, wait, no, I'm thinking of something else. Um, uh, I guess yeah, I don't know. I'm in a weird in between stage where like I kind of want to get ambitious with this stuff. I kind of want to execute on like my more ambitious ideas, but I also just kind of want to get it done. And so I'm kind of like going back and forth between the two. I'm like I have like waxing and waning ambition levels for what we're doing here. The good news is that this is actually just going to be seen in like glimpses. Like this is never going to be like the main focus really. So that should give us a little bit of liberty with like how we choose to how we choose to execute on this. I guess I just naturally went to making like these smooth surfaces because of that one reference that we looked at earlier, but I don't have a specific reason for doing that except for that. So at this point, I'm just kind of doing it because because I kind of started on that path. Um, anyways, that's it's probably satisfactory for now. I'll just go in with the highlights, I guess. So then the other thing is that like there's like I don't know. I probably should have done something simpler instead of trying to do this because yeah, all right. I yeah, that's good. Rich. I yeah, like the basically it's about like well so it's, yeah, so right, so the thing that I have to keep thinking about or like reminding myself about is like how much this is actually going to show, like to what extent like this is actually going to have an impact on the wait, what am I doing? Yeah, no, I guess that's fine. Like what impact is this going to have on the project, and like how is this going to like show in the final project? And because like if this is only going to show up in like little blips as it likely will, then there's not like a huge point in making it like the most intricate and detailed, or like actually no, the one really important thing about like if this is only shows up in blips is like you know you can't really make like any like big story to it, like you can't actually make any big